Hello everybody, welcome back to Steel Detailing channel, where you can learn everything about building information modeling. Today we are going to take a look at cool new update in teklastructures version 2K21 called Batch Editor. We have an example of 5 beams, all are W1640 beams 20 feet long. I'm going to do the initial numbering of all 5 beams. We can see all 5 beams have been numbered as B16. Let's save the numbers. Always stop the timer before saving the numbers. Let's say we want to take a cut in all 5 beams. I'm going to take a polygon cut in a beam. Pick the object 1, 2 and 3. We don't need to copy the cut to other objects. Instead, let's go to the batch editor. Just select the beam with the cut as a source assembly. Tekla will automatically select the other 4 B16 beams in the target assemblies. We can zoom to selected if we want. We can remove any B16 if we don't want the change in that beam, or can add any other similar assemblies in the target assemblies category. Examples like B16 or B18 by using add or remove assemblies option. But that will change all the properties like profile, connection, etc. That entire assembly will be changed to B16. I'm going to leave all 4 remaining B16 in the target assemblies and click copy. We can see the cut copied to all B16 beams. The number will not split if we number all the beams. The batch editor will save a lot of time in updating hundreds of similar assemblies. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.